Alright, so today I will show you some really cool technique how you can use stamps. I will explain to you in a second what this is, to create very quickly this kind of negative detail where it goes like inwards, right? But also you can create positive details kind of with the same stamp. So I will show you everything step by step. And also just to let you know, I have created the most amazing stamp packs with a lot of different details that you can use with one click to create amazing details to your mechs or basically anything. So check out link in the description if you're interested. But let's create them completely from scratch. And yeah, so first of all, let's delete this already created details. So I will just select those faces, X deleted, select this, patch it, and Control D and delete redundant topology. Bam, just 1 second and it's gone. And yeah, so let's create that, and let me hide those two stems so that you can follow along. Let's just create the exact same detail, not on this mech piece because yeah, you don't have it. But we can also just use a simple surface, and this works exactly the same. So just create a new file, go to the right view, press Shift A, create a line, and now press E and press F for the freestyle and just snap to some point and just drag that out to the right? So something like that. And now we want to create another line with Shift A, and now we create the shape that we want. So I am going with something very simple like that, right? So maybe give it here some angle, right? So something like that. And also close it, right click. And if you, but just make sure it's connected with control click so it's blue. And maybe let's make it here a little bit longer, so something like that, right? And now very simple, you just select this curve, you press F and search for imprint, and you imprint onto your surface. And by the way, it does not just have to be this surface, right? So you can do it at literally any surface. That's just so you can follow along. Yeah, and now select the curve, hide it. And now select this face and just extrude this a little bit inwards, right, to give it some depth. So this is what we want. And now select in 3 face mode, this face, and this face, Shift X to delete it. And now very simple, press 2, select this edge, and press L and give it here G0, and here give it G1 or even G2 for like a very nice, perfect, smooth transition, right? So we have something like that. And now again in edge mode, just select this edge at the bottom and shift click here at this at the top. So only this edge and this edge from the newly created surface, and just extrude this a little bit because we have to go over all of those lines. And now just select this edge, and maybe let's go here. Select this edge and this edge. So this from the main surface, Shift D to duplicate, and now again go to this right view, press C and cut into your surface and press X. So you delete those pieces that we just extruded. And now press 4, join everything, and press 2, Alt click. Oh yeah, and also you have to select this face and Shift X to delete it. So press 2 and select here those triangular edges, patch it, the same at the bottom, just select that, patch it, and perfect. And now you can also just give here a nice juicy fillet, and also here at the bottom, right? So we get this nice shape, so maybe a little bit more. And also let's give it here a nice little fillet. And here, so again, if you have some surface modeling skills, you can do way more, but just a very simple thing. So now we have kind of, our stamp mockup. So now we have to create the negative form. So now very simple how to create the actual stamp form. So you could also just create here a body and then boolean that and intersect or slice that. But also what works if you have like a simple detail where you just have one object, you press 2, Alt click, and you just select this whole loop, Shift D, and patch it to create the surface, delete the curve. And now press 3, and in this example we will just remove this surface, and press tab and select those two sheets and join them, and this is now your finished stamp. And also what I just want to do, select it, press Alt X and F, and just drag that down, so we just mirror that, and now you can use those. And how you do it, you just select this object here and you press Alt D or Control D or Shift D. So my keyboard layout is a little bit different, so you can also just press F and look for not stamp for the place command, and just look what shortcut you have. So place command, and now place it here on the center, and now press W. So now you see it's red, and this way you will create the stamp. And yeah, let's bring it maybe here. So I will click once, press S to scale it, and press A and to rotate it, and scale again. So something like that. Right click, bam. And we have created the detail, right? So then also, yeah, we can go some other place. So yeah, maybe here. I clicked it, press, oops, I have to go back because I just stamped. But anyway, so you can just do it then anywhere, or you can also use the positive stamp. So I will just use this one. So it's just a different angle. Again, select it, Alt D, or use the place command. And now you have to flip it with F here, bottom right, you see F, and bam, voila. Now you could flip it and press Q, so it will Boolean, so it's blue. So bam, I will place it. And now with A, I will change the angle, so something like that, and maybe with S, just scale this, and bam, right click, and we just have created some really cool little details here. And again, if you want a massive pack with ready to go amazing sci-fi details, stamps, curves that you can just use to absolutely massively level up your designs with a few clicks, very quick, so you don't have to create them always one by one. Just check out this amazing stamp pack that I've created, link in the description. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the other tutorials. Have a nice day, bye.